Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, is revered by climbers and adventurers as the ultimate challenge. But beneath the awe-inspiring views lies a growing environmental catastrophe. The iconic peak, once known for its breathtaking beauty, is now suffocating under the weight of human activity. In a groundbreaking documentary, French YouTuber Inoxtag has captured the harsh reality of Mount Everest pollution. Titled Kaizen, on poor Graveril Everest, the film has captivated audiences worldwide, drawing in over 25 million views. The documentary takes us on a journey up the mountain, revealing the staggering accumulation of waste left behind by countless expeditions. At higher altitudes, where the air is thin and the climb becomes perilous, the scenes are gut-wrenching. Fragments of tents, abandoned oxygen canisters, and discarded food packaging litter the landscape. These remnants of human presence threaten not only the mountain's natural beauty, but also its fragile ecosystem. The images are a stark reminder of how little we've considered the impact of our ambitions on the planet's most sacred places. What's even more alarming is the fact that this pollution remains in place for years, if not decades. The harsh conditions on Everest make it nearly impossible for waste to decompose, and the mountain has become a dumping ground for climbers who leave behind not only their trash, but also their hopes and dreams of conquering the peak. Inoxtag's documentary is a wake-up call for the world. As more people flock to Everest in search of glory, we must ask ourselves, how can we continue to climb without destroying the very thing that draws us to the summit? The fight to preserve Mount Everest has only just begun, and it's a fight we all need to be part of.